The Vantrue E1 Lite Mini Dashcam proves that great things can indeed come in small packages. Designed for drivers who value high-quality footage, intelligent features, and a discreet form factor, this model blends advanced technology with ease of use. With its full HD 1080p recording, HDR imaging, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, and 24-hour parking protection, the Vantrue E1 Lite stands as an impressive all-rounder in the budget to mid-range dashcam market. Compact design with premium build quality. The Vantrue E1 Lite lives up to its mini label with an extremely compact and sleek design that tucks neatly behind your rear-view mirror. The 1.54-inch LCD screen offers clear visibility for live footage and quick settings adjustments, while the magnetic assist mount ensures quick installation and removal without dealing with tangled cables. The Dashcam uses a Type-C USB port for faster data transfer and power delivery, and the supercapacitor power system allows it to withstand both extreme heat and cold, making it more reliable than battery-powered alternatives. Full HD to HDR video quality. Despite its small size, the E1 Lite records in crisp 1080p Full HD at 30 FPS with a 160-degree wide viewing angle and f1.8 wide aperture lens. HDR, high dynamic range, technology significantly enhances image clarity by balancing highlights and shadows, resulting in detailed video footage during both day and night drives. Even in low light or high contrast conditions, such as tunnels or glare-heavy roads, the Dashcam manages to capture clear visuals, perfect for reading license plates or identifying road hazards. Built-in Wi-Fi and free Vantrue app. One of the most convenient features of the E1 Lite is its 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity, paired with the Vantrue mobile app, available for both iOS and Android. Through the app, you can stream live video, adjust camera settings, view recordings, download footage, and share clips directly to social media platforms like Facebook or YouTube without removing the SD card. The app does not require a subscription, which is a significant plus in a market where many brands lock features behind paywalls. GPS logging for complete driving records. The integrated GPS module records crucial driving information, including location, route, direction, and speed, in kmh or mph. When reviewing footage on your smartphone or computer, you can track your journey on the map, which is extremely helpful for insurance claims, route verification, or fleet management. This feature ensures every trip is documented with accurate data, adding an extra layer of accountability. Hands-free voice control. Safety and convenience come together with built-in voice control available in English, Japanese, Russian, and Chinese. With simple voice commands like take photo, lock video, turn off screen, or turn on Wi-Fi, drivers can control essential functions without taking their hands off the wheel. This thoughtful feature enhances focus on the road while giving easy control over the camera's key operations. 24-hour parking protection. When your car is parked, the Vantrue E1 Lite automatically switches to parking mode, monitoring for impacts or movements. The G-sensor and motion detection system can trigger recording when any vibration or movement is detected. It offers multiple parking detection options, such as collision detection, low bitrate, and low frame rate continuous recording to conserve power. However, to enable true 24-hour parking surveillance, you'll need the Vantrue hardwire kit sold separately. This mode adds great peace of mind for anyone concerned about vandalism or hit-and-run incidents. Reliable recording and storage. The Dashcam supports up to 512GB micro SD cards. Vantrue recommends using their own branded cards for best performance. Thanks to loop recording, old footage is automatically overwritten when storage is full, ensuring continuous recording. In the event of a collision, the G-sensor automatically locks the video file to a protected event folder, preventing it from being deleted. This function makes it easier to find and secure crucial evidence after an accident. Performance and usability. In real-world use, the E1 Lite performs smoothly with stable video output, quick Wi-Fi connectivity, and responsive app control. The magnetic mount makes detaching the camera effortless, ideal for users who park in public areas and want to remove their dashcam for security reasons. The HDR imaging system performs particularly well in low-light scenarios, and the supercapacitor power source ensures reliability during voltage fluctuations or extreme weather. Optional CPL filter for glare reduction. For those who frequently drive under bright sunlight, the optional CPL, circular polarizing lens, filter can be purchased separately. It reduces windshield reflections and improves image clarity, providing a professional touch to your footage. Warranty and support. Vantrue offers an 18-month warranty for the E1 Lite, which can be extended upon registration. Their customer service reputation is generally positive, with responsive support for both firmware updates and troubleshooting. Final verdict. The Vantrue E1 Lite Mini Dashcam strikes a near-perfect balance between performance, reliability, and convenience. Its compact build, crystal-clear HDR recording, and smart connectivity features make it one of the most well-rounded 1080p dashcams in its category. Ideal for everyday commuters, rideshare drivers, and long-distance travelers alike, it provides the essential protection and recording capabilities you need, all while staying sleek, subtle, and easy to use.